building a RAG system but confused about which tools are used at each step? Let me break the entire RAG pipeline in a simple way. RAG stands for Retrieval Augmented Generation. It means the AI does not just guess answers, it first retrieves the right data and then generates a response. The first step is collecting documents. This can be PDFs, websites, or data coming from APIs. At this stage, the goal is simply to gather all your knowledge in one place. Next comes split and embed. Here, the documents are broken into smaller chunks and converted into embeddings so machines can understand them. Tools like LangChain, Hugging Face, or OpenAI are commonly used for this step. After that, we store these embeddings in a vector database. Popular options include Pinecone, Weaviate, Face, and Milvus. This is where your knowledge actually lives. When a user asks a question, the system retrieves the most relevant chunks from the vector database. This retrieval step is usually handled using LangChain retrievers or Llama Index. Those retrieved chunks are then sent to a large language model like GPT, Claude, or Llama. The model uses this context to answer accurately based on your data. Finally, the answer is generated using chains or guardrails to keep responses structured and safe. And that's the complete RAG pipeline in simple terms. Follow for more easy explanations on AI and tech.